Since 1922, the Louisiana Farm Bureau has been serving the state's farm, ranch, and rural communities. Today, the mission of the Farm Bureau is much the same, only now the Louisiana Farm Bureau provides its members with so much more. One of the cornerstones of having Farm Bureau insurance is our Service to Member program, which includes discounts on many products and services that benefit you and your family. The program we're most proud of is our member discounts on General Motors vehicles. Since 2011, Farm Bureau members have been saving on Chevy, GMC, and Buick vehicles. Make your best deal, then take an additional $500 off with your Louisiana Farm Bureau membership. Whether you're traveling the state or across the country, your Farm Bureau membership gets you a 20% discount on any Choice hotel, including Comfort Suites, Quality Inn, and Econo Lodge. With the cost of health care rising, who couldn't use a little help at your local pharmacy? With your Farm Bureau member discount, you'll save on all your prescriptions. Best of all, the program is free. To find out more, call our pharmacy helpline at 1-800-248-1026. Sometimes purchasing a vehicle can be a hassle, but with the Farm Bureau Member MABS program, our trained buyers do all the work for you. Just tell them your price range and the type of vehicle you're looking for, and they'll do the rest. Whether you're a parent or a grandparent, car seats are essential for safe traveling with the little ones. Farm Bureau and Costco are proud to offer big discounts on both car seats and boosters. Contact your local parish Farm Bureau office for details. Even if you're not a farmer, there's always a need for hard-working tools. Your Farm Bureau membership gets you big discounts on a full line of Grainger tools and other products. Visit Grainger.com and enter discount code 848-603-734. And the savings don't stop there. From discounts on car rentals from Enterprise, Alamo, and National, Farm Bureau banking services, to Sherwin-Williams Paints and Supplies, your membership in Farm Bureau pays you back. To find out more, contact your local parish Farm Bureau office or your friendly Farm Bureau insurance agent.